Hello friends, welcome back. We will discuss the today market. The market is showing that the bulls are in the market, and this is a very good thing, right? This is very good things because we need growth, higher growth rate. We need uh, employment for the youth, and we need development for particularly India. And we are in the stage where we can achieve these things. And the market is the pillar if this major issue is going to be the solved. So the market need to really perform particular in this time for the nation. So I'm happy today because I can see this buying, especially on the Friday. Yeah, I can say that this buyer are holding the market. Maybe the domestic investor are more active in the market, but whatever the factor, market looks good to me. Yesterday we were discussing market, and if you remember, I said that I will be slightly bearish on this market. Why I said that slightly bearish? Because if you see the pattern, it was suggesting for the kind of bearishness in the market. The first logic, and the second logic is on Friday, especially in the second half, the market used to be bearish. And the third logic, which the international today thinks it's not in the favor of the market, inflation data, Ukraine Russia war, and many more things on this table, which is really giving tough time for the market, and especially for the domestic investor, retail investor. So, but indeed, in the bullish grip is a very good things. For me, I enter in the bank Nifty. Let me show you my today trading range. So for me, I enter almost here. Sorry, this point. I enter at this point because why I enter here, and what was the my trade method for this. Let me frankly tell you the two things which I was expecting to be market for today. The first, I enter because I was looking this the consolidation at the top of the level. This is the level. This is the level, and market was getting consolidated at this particular level. So I sold the CE here. That was the 33,700. I sold the CE that approx that was a 370 to 80 rupees at that time. I sold the CE, and because my risk reward ratio was in the favorable. Why it is so? Because in the upper side, this is the first resistant we have. This is the first resistant, and this is the second resistant going to be for the market. So I was looking at this. If I will be the wrong, if suppose that market will break this resistant, that is the 33,600 in few points, it will be hit by this resistance, that is the 33,700. So I was very happy to see this, to take this risk. But in another side, I was looking to this is the first target, because this is the first support may work, and this was the yesterday second target. So my risk reward ratio was working properly. The market concept Friday and everything was really working well in this trade. So I sold the CE of 3700, right? Sorry, 33,700. I sold the PE, right? But what happened after that? Market went up this candle, and it was a really good candle, and I was looking that it may happen that it will break this, but luckily it was in my favor. After this candle, suddenly market went down. So when the market went down at these levels, I exited my trade. Why exited my trade? Because see, market, when it start falling, it do not take so much of time. It do not take so much of time. If you will see here, after one two candle there was a bullish candle. It shows this market is staying here, another fall, and this body of the candle was suggesting that the market will take support here. If you see this body of the bullish candle, the bull is stronger here, this position. So I exited my trade here, and when I exited, it was bit down. I think at this level I exited, it was a bit down. On the paper it was 3300, 33,450 40, I think, at that time, and it went up. So we had the resistance here. It was expected that the now market is going to be the sideways market, because in the upper side we have resistance, and frankly speaking, so many trend investor are the new experienced trader investors will not be happy to carry their trade or they take new trade, especially on the Friday evening. It's the fact of the market. So it was expected that the market will be go sideways if it is not getting bearish, because it this movement was not in the favor of bearish. And it was already, if you'll see friends, it was already 1 o'clock. So this was my trade, and this was the today market. Keep subscribe this channel and support this channel. We have only 16 subscriber and we are expecting more. If this channel, if this concept, the method trading is really working, yeah, if you are getting 10%, it's a valuable. Let me frankly tell you, even 1% if you are getting from one person, this is really work, because this is the point pointed things work in the trading. That's why I call this channel is the method trading. It's trading is a very minor point things. I mean to say, very pointedly system work in the trading. You need to be pinpointed in the trading. So method trading is the brilliant concept, and that's why I call it method trading. So please subscribe and like this channel, support this channel, give thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support which you have already given to us. Thank you.